Hello friends! It's August and we have harvested red and yellow tomatoes and peppers from our vegetable garden. I want to make some canned vegetable for the winter. Today I am going to use only tomatoes and peppers in a 1:1 ratio. Vegetables keep well in tomato juice, which is a preservative. So, if I want two peppers to keep well, I mix them with the tomatoes. I don't need to add vinegar to the jar. First, I chop the peppers and tomatoes finely. You can chop them as small as you like. We make veggies and put cumin, cloves and black pepper in them. We will take these bags out of the pot after the vegetables are cooked. The cumin and cloves help the vegetables to keep better. We also put sugar and salt. Cook the vegetables on a low heat for 20 minutes. Then I put the cooked vegetables in jars. And finally, I can close the lid on the jar with a special device. These vegetables are a great addition to pasta, potatoes and other dishes.